Still working on who is going to actually be responsible to do the air suspension setup this time around. So today we got some more updates on the Teggy. Already know we're going to be doing the harness, so that's coming, getting that suited and booted. But it's been cleaned and wiped down. Teggy is looking good. These are not the wheels that are going there. Many people think they are the wheels that are going to be going on there, but they're not. Those are just the rollers. They are nice rollers though. AG, custom made to spec and finished. But those are just roller wheels. But definitely paint job is looking so sick. So sick. Way better than the paint job before. The color is absolutely awesome. Can't wait to see this out in the sun. Also, the new banner will be going across here. Haven't decided who's going to do that just yet. And I haven't even worked out the full design I want just yet, but that will be done. One thing I am mad about, the window, new window in here, had to get a new window. The other one had a chip and a little spider section in there. Fresh window. I am mad about the people who did the window because, as you know it, these Honda clips in here are hard to find. And I truly believe they may have glued all this in, especially this portion, which keeps it in, and it can be a headache to work with those clips, but still. The new cowling will be here, will go in. Big shout out to Lawson for that. And we have soon to be headlights installed and routed, and that's going to be dope. One of the biggest focus, one of the priority focus here is going to be the gas tank. The gas tank's not on here yet, but it will be. And I think we're just going to do a completely new gas tank, gas assembly, all of that stuff. I thought that was a chip on that paint. I was about to say, what the fuck? But it's not. It's just dirt. Is the gas tank area. So, and I was thinking about doing that piece right there, carbon fiber, but I'm not going to do that carbon fiber. I'm just going to leave everything painted. Still trying to figure out how we're going to work the interior up. I'm not sure about the interior yet. I'm going to be doing door panels, everything up front, but I'm not sure about from mid all the way back how I want to get that configured. Still working on who is going to actually be responsible to do the air suspension setup this time around. I got some ideas myself, but I'm thinking about bringing somebody else in there, third party, because of my situation. Physically, there are going to be some things I'm trying to alleviate from having to do. They're going to take an extended amount of time where I can enjoy doing some of the other bigger things that won't take as much time, but still will take time. All the wiring here is pretty good and pretty clean, so I'm not really stressed about that. Although if I was going to leave this exposed, I would want to take these out and loom them in black and kind of get them a bit more tucked in. And yeah, I am absolutely considering the raw naked look. I am largely considering that, especially since we got some of the other stuff out of the way. I am largely considering that. The only thing I don't like is if I'm going to have these panels in, and I don't like the look of the window panels being in and then just kind of dropping off the way Integra made them. It looks like something needs to be there. So I'm really up in the air about how I'm going to do that. I don't mind the box being exposed. I don't mind some of these things being here. What I do mind is how they look and will come together. But I am largely kind of in the mode to leave all of this exposed, put in a flooring, put the air suspension in, and just roll from here. Untack this, loom it nice and black, make sure it's all attached. And not even, and of course you have the panel that goes here, there. So it kind of leaves you with, what are you going to do here? We could probably do some type of custom paneling and run it up and then get it finished and get it interior. But then that's, the reason I'm thinking about doing that is because where the roll cage comes in, very awkward position. The roll cage also mounts here. And what's in there is a speaker grill for your regular panel. So that's why I'm thinking about making some other type of custom panels that will be a little bit more flush, will allow me to have the raw look here, an exposed look here and there. So I'm gonna kind of have to figure that out. I don't know if it's gonna, I don't wanna use wood. I'd rather use some type of Lexan, carbon, something. So I'm gonna look for some advice on that. But here will be carpet, will be door panels, will be headliner, dash, all of that stuff's gonna be here. It's gonna be back in there is where the side paneling where I'm kind of most interested to see what I'm gonna do. All right, I wanna use pre-existing mount points. I don't wanna drill any more mount points than have to be drilled. And I think that'd be really clean if I can kind of come up with something on that. So I'm gonna be looking for ideas. I'm gonna constantly, especially when the car gets back. Right now, it is largely about getting this thing running, getting the suspension done, getting the dash, everything in, and then figuring that out as well. So there are still a lot of things to be figured out here. One of the other things to figure out is I have another set of these. Lawson will be getting the other set and we'll be doing that. Now I do have an entirely nice idea for this setup here, but I'm not going to talk about it. I already kind of got some of the pieces coming together for it, but it's a very nice idea. And if it works out, then it'd be great. But I want it to work out with already existing mount points. Again, I don't want to have to drill into the body to make something else and incorporate it. So if I can't do that, I'm not in real deep for the parts on that. So it's cool. Definitely got to get the rest of the parts back for third brake light so we can get that in. I got MPC working on some situations there. I know a lot of you like seeing that at the show as I came out and I was really the first person to do it. And that was to have a third brake light that read Integra when it lit up. Many people asked me about doing it. I did a couple of pieces for some people. And then I had a shop who was supposed to do the rear lighting for this. They kind of did an upgraded version and I don't like it, don't have it. I still got to get in contact with them to figure out that, because I like to try to leave everything in a good scenario, but if it's not possible, then it's not fucking possible. But yes, that is the update for here so far. So follow the Instagram, follow the YouTube, subscribe, all that good shit, and we'll get back to you.
You kinda like Face at the end of the flick. The world was yours and you died on the shit. Wolfpack gang all over this bitch. Taking over YouTube, running that shit.